Hello everyone, this is Prince Girdhar. Today, in this video, I am going to explain the topic otitis media. Otitis media, also called as ear infection, an infection of the air-filled space behind the eardrum. Two types of otitis media, acute and chronic. Acute suppurative otitis media. It is an acute inflammation of middle ear by pyogenic organism. There are three routes of infection. First, via Eustachian tube, second, via external ear, third, bloodborne. Predisposing factors are recurrent attacks of common cold, upper respiratory tract infection, infections of tonsil, adenoids, chronic rhinitis and sinusitis, nasal allergy, tumor of nasopharynx, and cleft palate. The etiology for the disease is it is more commonly especially in infants and children of lower socioeconomic group. Bacteria showing their presence are Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenza, and others. The pathology of the disease consists of stages. First, stage of tubal occlusion, second, stage of pre-suppuration, third, stage of suppuration, fourth, stage of resolution, and if not treated, then stage of complication. The clinical features, the signs of the disease is conductive deafness, cartwheel appearance of tympanic membrane, pars flaccida become uniformly red, excess of clouding of air cell, blood-tint discharge, later become mucopurulent. The symptoms are deafness, tinnitus, disturbed sleep, vomiting, convulsion may occur, extradural abscess. The treatment: antibacterial therapy, decongestant nasal drop, oral nasal decongestant, analgesic and antipyretics, ear toilet, dry local heat, and in surgery, laryngotomy. Now, chronic suppurative otitis media. It is a long-standing infection of a part or whole of the middle ear cleft, characterized by ear discharge and a perforate perforation. A perforation becomes permanent when its edges are covered by squamous epithelium and it does not heal spontaneously. There are two types of chronic suppurative otitis media. First one, tubotympanic type. Second, aticoantral. The tubotympanic type is safe or benign type. It involves anterior inferior part of middle ear cleft. There is no risk of serious complication in this variety. The etiology: sequel of acute otitis media, ascending infection via Eustachian tube. The bacteriology are pus culture in both types, aerobic and anaerobic. The aerobic bacteria are Escherichia coli, anaerobic Streptococci. The pathology. Pathology begins with perforation of pars tensa, which is centrally located, then middle ear mucosa. It may be active or inactive. This leads polyp formation, which eventually leads to ossicular chain formation. The ossicular chain, usually intact and mobile, also shows necrosis, especially of long process of incus. The ossicular chain leads tympanosclerosis, white chalky deposit on ossicles, joints, tendon, oval and round windows, in which results fibrosis and adhesion, further leads to blockage of Eustachian tube. Clinical features: ear discharge, hearing loss, perforation, or middle ear mucosa. Assessment: the assessment done under examination under microscope, audiogram, culture and sensitivity of ear discharge, X-ray mastoid, CT of temporal bone. The treatment: oral toilet, ear drops, systemic antibiotics. Precaution: treatment of contributory cause, surgical treatment, and reconstructive surgery. The aticoantral type. It is unsafe or dangerous type. It involves posterior superior part of the cleft. Risk of complication is very high in this variety. Etiology: pus culture in both aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. The clinical features: Symptoms: ear discharge, hearing loss, bleeding. Signs: perforation, retraction pocket, cholesteatoma. Assessment done under examination under microscope, tuning fork test and audiogram, X-ray mastoid, CT scan of temporal bone, culture and sensitivity of ear discharge. The treatment: first, surgical, consists of two types: canal wall down procedure, canal wall up procedure. Second, reconstructive surgery, and third one, conservative treatment. That is all for this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.